Hi, I'm Makoto Takemiya, one of the contributors to SORA, with updates for January 20th, 2024. I hope the new year is going well for everyone. It looks like it will be quite an interesting and exciting year. So it's also a year of opportunities and challenges, but let's make the best of it. For SORA, we're getting really close to releasing the order books on Polkaswap.io. You can check out test.polkaswap.io and help test the order book functionality and give some feedback. Also, you might have seen that recently we won our Polkadot Parachain crowd loan auction, and so DOT will be trading very shortly on Polkaswap as well. Look forward to that next week, and it's coming really close, really soon. And that's really quite an exciting milestone. So Polkaswap really was always meant to be the premier DEX of the Polkadot ecosystem. And the product is really solid and smooth, and getting DOT trading there is going to be really quite amazing because there's not so many decentralized ways to trade DOT and Kusama and other ecosystem tokens. And Polkaswap's really the nicest decentralized app that I've ever used. I don't know about you, but I think it's pretty awesome. So that's really exciting. Kensetsu is also coming close, so we're going to be testing it soon on the public testnet. There's not a UI for it yet, but people will be able to start testing it using Polkadot.js tool on the testnet. So keep an eye out for that announcement. Kensetsu will be quite useful because it will change some of the dynamics of the ecosystem, so that builders eventually will be able to be paid in Kensetsu tokens instead of directly in TBCD, which has different ramifications for the tokenomics. In particular, it will most likely reduce the amount of SOAR put into circulation, even when paying builders, and that can be quite useful. But hey, let's take it one step at a time, and Kensetsu will be released in such a way that it will be disabled, and the community will have to vote to add each different type of tokens, like a stable USD token or a stable, I don't know, anything you want, a stable Doge token, whatever is in band protocol will be supported. You can even have like a stable Bitcoin token that's over collateralized, which is kind of cool. So it's up to you and what you make of it. So SOAR is a decentralized project, and the tools that we create and give to you, it's up to you to use them as you see best. I would recommend using them for the benefit of humanity as much as possible. So this year is going to be really quite a year of lots of accomplishments. Keep an eye out for the updated roadmap shortly as well. And with that, I've got daily network stats. In the last 24 hours, there's 17,123 transactions on the SOAR network, 15,501 of which were swaps, 84 were demeter farming transactions, 284 were transfers, and there were 372 active accounts on the SOAR network. So with these fast updates, let's go back to work.